Good morning student, welcome to this social science class. Student, in the previous video I have given you a broad outline of the theme of the chapter. What are the main important topic that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Now in this video we will discuss the main topic of the chapter why the earliest people were on the move. Why people move from one place to another. So student, there were many reasons for the movement of these earliest people. First of all, who were these earliest people? These earliest people were the people who live on the subcontinent before 20 lakh years ago. Okay, 20 lakh years ago, the people who lived on the subcontinent. Okay. Now you are thinking ki how do we came to know about these people? So student, archaeologists, when they dug up or excavated the land, so they found many remains or the materials or the things यानी available resource के base पर they have studied and find out about these earliest people, or that's why we are just studying. So student, there were many techniques by which archaeologists find out the remains or find out the information about these earliest people. Now the question is that why the earliest people move from one place to another. So then the reason is there were main reason primitive activity was the hunting or gathering, as we have discussed already. Hunting or gathering, they hunt the animal or they gather the fruits, roots or the eatables from one place to another place. That's why they have to move from one place to another. Student, so first reason was that hunting or gathering, they hunt the animals so that they have to follow the animals, or by gathering they collect the eatables जैसे कि roots हो गया, birds हो गया, they caught the fish or gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, eggs and so many other things. That's why they move. Okay, student, there was only one motive of these earliest people, that was to be alive. उनके का केवल एक ही मोटो रहता था, that was to be alive, जीवित रहना, और फिर for this purpose they have to the required of food, है ना, और for this food की सर्च में, for the search of the food they have to move. क्लियर, यानी उस समय उनको केवल फूड की तलाश में, शेल्टर की तलाश में इधर से मूव करना होता था, क्योंकि एट दैट टाइम देयर वाज नो जोमेटो, नो स्विगी, है ना, दे हैव टू कलेक्ट द फूड फॉर देयर ओन. ओके, so due to hunt the animals they move from one place to another. That was the main reason, but many more other reasons were there for the movement of the people. Then first, now the next is कि if they stayed at one place for a long time, अगर वो एक प्लेस पर एक बहुत ज़्यादा समय तक रहते, तो स्टूडेंट क्या था, they would have eaten up all the available animals or the eatables. क्या होता, अगर एक ही जगह पे कोई रहेगा तो वहाँ पर जितना भी सोर्स था वो सब तो खत्म हो जाता ना, फिर वो उनको जाना पड़ता. अगर एक जगह का ही सपोज करिए कि उनको खत्म कर देना था, then they have to move from one place to another place. ठीक है, तो that was the reason कि एक जगह पर वो नहीं रह सकते थे. And the second thing is कि animals move from place to place, as I have told you कि they were the hunter or gatherer. तो animals can't stay at the one place, at not they can't stay na at fixed place. They move, or the animals, when the animals move, so the hunter or gatherers follow these animals just to hunt them. Okay, so yeah, this was the reasons just to move. और plants and trees bear fruits in different season. अब जैसे सीजनल फ्रूट्स होते हैं, है ना, सीजनल फ्रूट्स में अभी समर की नो की मैंगो के लिए हम लोग, जैसे मैंगो फेवरेट फ्रूट है तो मैंगो के लिए हम मैंगो वाले ट्रीज के पास, मतलब अभी नहीं, अगर हम होते हैं अर्लीस्ट पीपल तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम मैंगो वाले ट्री के पास जाके रहते हैं क्योंकि मैंगो खाना है. लाइकवाइज कि डिफरेंट सीजन में डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स वर नॉट मतलब वर अवेलेबल, तो दैट्स व्हाई दे मूव टू दैट पर्टिकुलर ट्री जस्ट टू गेट दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रूट और रूट्स. ठीक है, तो मूवमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. क्लियर स्टूडेंट, मूवमेंट ड्यू टू द वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ वाटर इज एसेंशियल. ठीक है, फॉर एवरीवन जस्ट टू लिव. अब क्या है, नाउअडेज इफ वी गेट द वाटर या इफ वी नीड द वाटर, तो सिंपली वी स्विच ऑन और वी जस्ट गेट many other available resources are there to get the water. But in that time, in the earliest time, people have to move to the water bodies, towards the water body, they have to live there on the water bodies, यानी कि lakes के banks, lakes हो गए, rivers हो गए, उनके banks पर जाकर के वो रहते थे, ठीक है, just to avail the water. और like rivers और lakes, perennial और seasonal rivers की ये बात होती थी. Perennial rivers क्या होती है स्टूडेंट? The perennial rivers are those rivers who are filled with water throughout the year. Okay. और seasonal rivers are those rivers that dry up in the summer season. ठीक है. Perennial तो क्या है कि हर पूरे टाइम, क्योंकि ग्लेशियर से हमको वाटर मिलता रहता है लाइक गंगा. ओके. और perennial rivers just dry up due to some seasons. ठीक है. But some rivers dry up in summer. These are the seasonal rivers. तो the earliest people who live on the bank of perennial river, so all the time they get the water from these rivers. Or those seasonal rivers, so they move from the another river, है ना, when these dry up. तो ये क्या था? These were the main reasons कि why people move from one place to another. ठीक है. Many reasons that I have told you कि if they stayed at one place, so they would have eaten up all the eatables. Then animals move from one place to another. Hunting gathering was the primitive activity was there. Plants and trees bear fruits in the different season, and then the requirement of water. These were the main reasons just for the movement of the earliest people. So now in the next video, reasons of movement we have discussed. In the next video we will just discuss how do we came to know, what are the sources by which we came to know about these earliest people. So student, keep learning. Have a nice day.